Mga kasingal, isa na namang song request ang bibigyan natin ng panahon. Medyo matagal-tagal natin itong nakanta. Marami kasi tayong ginagawa rin sa buhay. At sobrang dami ng mga song request. At yung mga nag-request ng kantang ito, sana makiride on na lang kayo, okay? Si Sir Hybeth Sumikad. Si Sir Jaime Sumikad ito. Hybeth parang kinumbinar yung pangalan niya at yung pangalan ng kanyang darling, yung kanyang asawa. Sabi niya, pa-request idol ng song. Pwede ba? Title Fräulein by Victor Wood. Shout out sa taga Sibugay, Zamboanga Province, sa mga Bacani family, Sumikad family, Tampon family, Alvador family, Perla family. Especially to my loving wife, Beth Bacani Sumikad. Shout out coming from Jaime Sumikad. Okay. Ang kanyang nire-request ay song na kay Victor Wood, Fräulein. Okay. Kumusta ang mga Sumikad family dyan? Lahat ng mga pamilya na na-mention ni Sir Jaime Sumikad. Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at mag-ingat kayo palagi. Ito ang kanyang request. Awit ni Victor Wood, Fräulein.
Far across the blue water, I wait over yonder by the vast of the old river Rhine. Where I loved her, I left her, but I can't forget her. I miss my pretty Fräulein. Fräulein, Fräulein, look towards the heaven each night when the stars starts to shine. By the same stars above you, I swear that I love you. You are my pretty Fräulein. When my memory wander away over yonder on the sweetheart that I left behind, and the moment of glory, a face comes before me, the face of my pretty Fräulein. Fräulein, Fräulein, walk down by the river, pretend that your hands holding mine. By the same stars above you, I swear that I love you. You are my pretty Fräulein.
Maraming salamat.